Release the Kraken, because things are getting extremely heated on the Flare network, and we're about to see it swallow absolutely everything. Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always, and we have some fantastic news for you today. We're starting here with Kraken. So if you didn't know, Kraken is one of the top tier exchanges here in the cryptocurrency space, and they've just made a huge announcement. They're going to be making DeFi rewards simple. Meet DeFi Earn, powered by Vida Labs, Centaura HQ, who you may recognize, and also Chaos Labs. Earn up to 8% on your assets, all within the Kraken app experience you already know and trust. No complicated setup, no technical steps, just start earning. And they've got this promotional video here, which is basically as you would expect. All of the complexities is abstracted from the user. They log into an app. They say that they want to earn a yield, they do a few clicks, and the next thing you know, they're interacting directly with the Flare network through Firelight vaults, bringing masses of liquidity to the Flare network. So we're going to jump into this here because it is actually quite a big announcement. We've got this publication on Medium from no one other than Jesus, who is the co-founder of Centaura, Firelight, and he's been building this application for quite some time, incubated by none other than Hugo Filion and the Flare team. And we can see here, Kraken launches DeFi Earn. Today, Kraken announced the launch of its DeFi Earn program, which represented a significant milestone in the scaling laws of finance. And Centaura couldn't be prouder to power the first version of Earn with their Smart Yields platform. So yes, this is very interesting to me. Kraken Earn isn't just a single bucket for yield, it's a sophisticated suite of on-chain vaults, initially supporting USDT, USDC, and DAI, so all stablecoins, designed to bridge the gap between centralized convenience and decentralized transparency. This is by far the most ambitious DeFi program launched by a Tier 1 centralized exchange. It is equivalent of BlackRock's Biddle launch for real-world assets. By integrating these vaults directly into the exchange interface, we are seeing the first large-scale deployment of an automated liquidity routing for the masses. This isn't just about moving numbers on a screen, it's about plugging the Kraken engine directly into the heart of the DeFi ecosystem. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. There's going to be a lot of exchanges that want to give yield to their customers. And what's going to happen is they're going to be plugging in directly through F assets and through applications and protocols like the Firelight Vault to earn a yield and then forward that onto their customer base. And if the exchanges don't do it, then they're going to be left behind by the customers to other exchanges that actually will. Now, it is a trifecta of different partners here that we can see. The Kraken distribution front end, there's Vida Vaults, there's Centaura Smart Yields as well. But I want to just come down here a little bit because I think this is maybe the most important bit here. DeFi abstraction, why this architecture wins. And for those of you who don't know, abstraction is a software development term which essentially means removing complexities. So if you're here, subscribed to the channel, you may be well versed in decentralized finance and how to utilize all of these dApps. You may know the lingo, the jargon, talking about providing liquidity, slippage, all of that stuff. But for the average user who is not familiar with these terms, it can seem a little bit daunting. And this is where Kraken, the centralized exchange, Tier 1 exchange, highly liquid, has their treasury of, say, XRP or whether it's stablecoins, where they want to offer this
to their customers to be able to put to use and start earning a yield. And they can do that, as we do, through applications like Firelight. But the important thing here is that this is abstracted from the user, where Kraken handles everything on the back end and they just forward the yield to their customers. If you were to design a yield-bearing system from scratch today, you wouldn't build a black box. You would build a transparent, auditable router. The core innovation here is that the integration of Centauro's smart yields directly into the Kraken stack. Instead of Kraken managing these strategies in a siloed, centralized finance way, they are leveraging Centauro's institutional-grade infrastructure to act as the automated risk manager for user capital. Think of it as a high-frequency router for value. So again, this is the most ambitious DeFi program ever launched. And if we scroll down here and check out their roadmap, the velocity of the vaults, you can see here that they're going to be adding more vaults over time, and also embedded insurance through Firelight. Many of you may be familiar with the Firelight platform. It's one of the most highly anticipated platforms to launch on the Flare network. And in April, we're going to see an expansion of their vaults, which is going to offer DeFi insurance to the masses. This is going to be absolutely huge. We are actively exploring how to integrate our insurance protocol, Firelight, as part of Kraken's Earn vaults. And this is just absolutely huge, and I'm sure you will agree. Now, I've had my take here talking about this recent announcement, which was just published today. I've long predicted the integration of F assets into major exchanges, allowing them to earn and forward yield to their customers, and now it is confirmed. Tier 1 exchange Kraken partners with Centauro to make this a reality by utilizing Firelight's DeFi insurance vaults launched on the Flare networks to earn yield for their users. And we can see the quotes here from that article. We are actively exploring how to integrate our insurance protocol Firelight as part of the Kraken Earn vaults. If this does not give you an idea where this is headed, then I don't know what will, but let me just put it as simply as I can. Exchanges utilizing their traditionally non-yield bearing assets, of course it may be stablecoins, it could be XRP, in the future it could be Bitcoin, it could be Dogecoin on the Flare network through F assets, to earn a yield by minting their F assets, putting them to use on the Flare network via protocols like Firelight. Ultimately, exchanges that do not offer their customers yield will be discarded in favor of those that do. This is basically a race towards adoption or integration with the Flare network. Now, Kraken leads the way, and I imagine that they will be shortly followed by huge exchanges like Uphold and Crypto.com, and I'm sure many more ahead. Now, this is just the start. Imagine if every exchange wants to pass and forward yield onto their customers. Where are they going to go? They're going to go to the Flare network. We also have the Zaman wallet, which is due to launch their one-click yield generating integration into their app. This is absolutely huge. And just to reiterate this here, we've got this announcement that happened some months ago about Uphold. We're thrilled to partner with Uphold, one of the first exchanges exploring XRP yield on the Flare networks. With F assets preparing for the mainnet launch, obviously that has occurred now, this collaboration paves the way for XRPFi, bringing utility and DeFi access to Uphold's active XRP community, an extremely large amount of XRP. So this is the way that things are heading. The Flare network is going to swallow absolutely everything. It's a yield generating platform, putting traditionally non-yield bearing assets to use. And that's what excites me about Flare, and I hope it excites you too. If you are new here, please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Do have yourself an incredible day, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.